Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the overnight battery draining test details in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make the ideal battery draining test. How much the battery can actually drain overnight in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's what this video is about. And during this process of demonstration, I'm trying to use the two SIM cards, which is Airtel and the Jio SIM card. You can clearly see. So I did take the screenshot before sleeping yesterday night, and today morning also I did take the screenshot right now, and I'll be able to show you exactly what is the battery drain in the Realme GT Neo 2. So for that I did clear everything from the background before sleeping. As you can see, exactly there is nothing at all except setting application in the background. So I'll try to show you the screenshot friends what I taken yesterday and today as well. In this way you'll be able to understand what is happening with this battery draining in this phone. So yesterday night, you can see clearly it's about midnight 12:37 time. After recording all the videos and everything, uploading, then I did sleep around close to 1 o'clock. But around 12:37 I did take the screenshot, and you can see the exact battery percentage is 59%. And in the morning the battery dropped to 57%. So 2% decreased. You can see clearly it's kind of close to 7 to 8 hours of time during this time of usage. As you can see friends, exact the battery reading 7 to 8 hours, in 7.5 hours maybe. In terms of the battery reading details, 2% is decreased for 7.5 hours in the Realme GT Neo 2. So friends, that's kind of a pretty normal thing, because even if I did use any other phone as well, I think overall it will be draining up to 2 to 3% or maybe 4%. So any phone below 5% is really good for the ideal battery drain. That's what I'm trying to mention, because it's another most important thing. You should definitely take care about the devices in the ideal situation, how much the battery will be draining. So in this phone there will be drain of 2% for maybe overnight battery draining test. Same like the details like Realme X7 Max and other phones, other Realme phones, how they battery got drained. Similarly, I can actually see same kind of battery happening in this Realme GT Neo 2. Nothing much problem about this. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a small video which I thought of demonstrating for you all, and this is just a day 3 of using this device. So after using quite some time, then we can actually come into the conclusion what is happening with this kind of battery draining in this phone. Thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until next, stay tuned for phone updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.